How to shift lock on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on any game you want. Go to the game and you'll find Roblox icon at the top left corner of your screen, which is beside three lines. Click on the Roblox sign. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Settings at the top. In the settings, you'll find Camera Mode. Simply click on the arrow which is in the camera mode and make sure it's Classic. After you've done Classic, you're good to go. This is how to shift lock on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.